Someone messed with Tatro's tools, and he's
That's right.
pretty upset about it.
Where'd these come from?
Where were they?
They're laying on top of my toolbox, so someone's been dicking with it. Somebody lost my stupid Allen wrench. Mario.
I didn't steal. I didn't do anything.
Sure. My stupid tools. Been dicking around my bucket.
Dicking on my bucket.
Damn. Bucket dicker. I need this one.
Do you get any comments on your sweatshirts?
What do you think of it?
I like the styling.
My dirty sweater with holes in it. Alright. So we gotta figure out where these go. So we gotta look through every container until we figure out where they're missing from.
Okay.
We're not gonna do it right now. We gotta go work on the important bike out front. You need to clean the workbench off when you're done with it. I got more room here. Something. Oh, I put a motor together.
Oh.
There's a hole back here now.
There's a hole.
Yeah, that means I can get. Look at that. I got a hole now.
More counter space.
I got room for my tools now. Look at that. I can lay them out and find them. See, I can see my flathead motor now too. It's not buried. Specialty tools. Okay. I need that for you. Alright. Need Alan.
Where's Alan?
I said you Alan. Alan's back east.
Where'd he go?
Indiana. Chased him off.
I didn't chase anybody off.
Chased him off. He told me I'm very full.
You know, I still can't get this thing fucking figured out.
Put it on correctly.
Jesus.
No, he's not going to help you. Okay, you got to open that up.
Like that?
Squeeze that thing together. Now open it.
Oh!
Right, can we get a close up of that? Dumbass.
There you go.
You reversed it on me. Jeez.
There you go.
Figured it out now.
I sure did.
You're pretty smart. Where'd you go to school?
Oh,
at?
The public school.
Oh, that explains it. That's the same one I went to?
Yep.
Where's my small Allen extension? You know how to use that?
I sure do.
Good. We're gonna need our Allens too. There's Scooby.
Hey, Scooby. Hey, Scoobs. There he is, waking up from his nap.
Okay. Got everything we need? New tool bucket.
What is that to go to work on that transmission?
Yes. Here, phone ringing too.
Some phones.